Well, Neelkanth Mishra of Credit Suisse, who is also known for his macro views, has written a piece on India's strategy. It's a piece that he's written after a long time, talking about life beyond pandemic or looking beyond pandemic in the world of investments. That's what essentially he has been talking about. Now, he starts by writing that 9% of GDP is not working in, 7% is consumption, 2% is investment, but they believe that a lot of reforms have been taking place, and by December end, they are of the view that 100% of the GDP will start to work or will start to open irrespective of what's happening to the COVID news. There have been structural reforms that have been taking place, and that will support sectors where reforms have happened. But the key thing to watch out is on the state finances, what's happening over there. That is one thing that they are keenly watching out for. They have highlighted this earlier as well, but they are pointing out that that is one thing that one has to watch out for. Essentially talking about the opening up, what's really happening in. So various sectors have opened, various investment have opened, various consumption side has opened. So just talking about the opening up of the sectors, they believe that as things normalize, consumption will tend to pick up, and that is something which is the scenario that they are looking at on a high spend consumption basis, and that's one of the key things that they would be looking at. Now, when you talk about the plays in terms of consumption, what essentially they are advising their clients as to what to go through with. So Maruti is one name that they particularly like. That's something which they have also raised the target price along with this strategy note. Eicher Motor is another premium consumption play which they are advising their clients to play. Godrej Consumer also comes in a part of this list. However, they are saying that Godrej has other reasons also why they like this name, but definitely consumption spend, higher ticket consumption spend will benefit Maruti, will benefit names like Eicher Motors. Now, when you talk about the banking name, that's one of the interesting ones. So they are saying banking overall has seen a brutal cut. That's what they are calling it, and that's why valuations over there are looking attractive. Don't forget that banks as a sector have also raised a lot of fund, so that's something which they are looking at. And then they probably come out and say that names like Axis, names like ICICI, names like SBI, these form a part of their list. Along with this, they have also raised target prices of ICICI Bank. Now, the interesting bit is where do they see spending or this excess spending being either in the valuation or really not benefiting. So two-wheelers as a pack, they believe that majority of this is not going to go through in terms of spending towards two-wheeler. They have already seen a pent-up demand, and that's why they believe that two-wheelers will not benefit. The interesting bit is about the cement pack as well. In fact, they have also downgraded Shree Cement today to an underperform. Not that they were positive earlier, they had a neutral rating, but downgrading it to an underperform, saying that the benefits of spending may not be there for Shree Cement so much as it will be for some of the other names that they have written. So the likes of Maruti, Eicher, a banking name like Axis, ICICI, SBI are all a part of their list.